If you look at your phone right now, how many people could you call just to talk? If the answer is very few or even zero, society might tell you that something is wrong with you. They might label you as antisocial, awkward, or broken. But psychology tells a different story. Having few friends isn't always a sign of social failure. Often, it is a sign of a highly independent and selective mind. Here are 5 rare traits shared by people who prefer solitude over shallow connections. Trait 1. You have a high-quality filter. You value depth over breadth. Most people build friendships based on proximity, whoever is nearby or convenient. But you build connections based on substance. Psychologists call this social selectivity. You simply cannot force a connection where there is no intellectual or emotional depth. You would rather sit in an empty room than sit at a table full of fake smiles and small talk. You aren't lonely, you are just waiting for something real. Trait 2. You are self-sufficient. You possess high emotional autonomy. Most people use their friends as emotional crutches. They need constant validation, attention, and reassurance to feel good about themselves. But people with few friends have learned to self-regulate. You solve your own problems. You validate your own success. You are comfortable in your own skin. Because you don't need people to survive, you only choose people who truly add value to your life. Trait 3. You see through social games. You have a low tolerance for drama. Modern friendship circles are often filled with hierarchy, gossip, and power plays. To you, this feels exhausting and pointless. Your brain is wired for authenticity. You notice the fake compliments and the hidden agendas instantly. While others play the game to fit in, you simply walk away. You aren't bad at socializing. You just refuse to perform for an audience. Trait 4. You value time as currency. You treat your time like gold. Highly intelligent people often view social interaction as an energy exchange. If an interaction drains your battery without giving anything back, you cut it off. You have goals, hobbies, and an inner world that you want to explore. To you, spending 3 hours listening to someone complain about the same problem is a waste of life. You protect your time because you know you can never get it back. Trait 5. You are loyal to a fault. When you do love, you love deeply. The paradox of the loner is that they are often the most loyal friends you can find. Because you don't spread your energy across 50 acquaintances, you pour all of it into the few people you trust. You don't have drinking buddies, you have allies. If someone is in your circle, you will do anything for them. Your circle is small, but it is unbreakable. So if you are walking through life with only 1 or 2 friends, or even walking alone, stop apologizing for it. You are not broken, you are selective. And in a world full of noise, that is a superpower. Do you relate to these traits? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to understand your mind better than anyone else, hit that subscribe button right now.